So what is the FX market, the Forex market? Well, very simply put, it is a market where you have a collection of retail traders like myself, hedge fund managers, investment companies, and central banks, and they will come together to trade one currency against another currency. So what that actually means is you will pick a currency pair that you want to trade. So for example, the euro against the US dollar, the pound against the US dollar, the pound against the Japanese yen, and so on. And the whole idea of the Forex market is that you can try and buy a currency at its lowest and sell it further up where it'll be a higher price. Or similarly, you might want to try and sell a currency by getting it at its highest price and selling it off at its lowest price. And that way you get in and out of your trade making a profit. You take your trades by executing them through a broker or dealer. And the foreign exchange market is an enormous currency market which is decentralized, and it approximately has about $5 trillion run through it per day. One thing that's worth noting with the Forex market is it is a 24-hour operation. So you can take trades 24 hours a day, 5 days a week, with the only closures of weekends and things like central holidays, Christmases, bank holidays, etc. Hopefully that helps explain what the Forex market is in very simple terms. And if you want to find out any more about the Forex market or how you can get involved with trading the Forex market, check out more of my videos on YouTube to help you get started.